Hello, welcome again to my channel. Are you searching for the best exercise bike to improve your home workouts? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best exercise bikes for this year. From budget-friendly options to premium connected bikes, there's something here for every fitness goal. Let's get started. Number 5, Xterra Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. The Xterra Fitness Folding Exercise Bike FB150 is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact and affordable home workout solution. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame and X-frame design, it supports up to 225 pounds while remaining lightweight at just 32 pounds. The bike features a magnetic resistance system for smooth and quiet rides, adjustable foot straps, and a padded seat for added comfort during longer workouts. Its foldable design makes storage simple, ideal for apartments or limited space. The console tracks basic metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor progress. Easy to assemble and battery-powered, this bike is perfect for beginners or anyone seeking an efficient cardio workout at home without spending a fortune. Affordable, practical, and space-saving, it balances performance and convenience. Number 4, Sunny Health Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. The Sunny Health Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike is a reliable choice for home cardio training, offering both performance and comfort at an affordable price. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame, this bike features a magnetic resistance system that delivers smooth, quiet rides, making it perfect for indoor use. The adjustable cushioned seat and multi-grip handlebars provide personalized comfort for different riders. While the console display helps you track speed, distance, time, and calories burned. With optional SunnyFit app connectivity, users can join interactive training sessions, set fitness goals, and monitor progress directly from their mobile devices. Weighing just over 60 pounds, it's stable yet easy to manage in a home gym setting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your workout equipment, this bike balances user-friendly design for effective cardio workouts. Number 3, Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike. The Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike is a top choice for home fitness enthusiasts, combining durability, functionality, and affordability. Designed with a sturdy alloy steel frame, it can support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for most adults. The bike features adjustable magnetic resistance and a customizable seat, ensuring a comfortable and challenging workout for users of all sizes. Equipped with a tablet holder, console display, and optional app connectivity, you can track your speed, time, and calories burned while following interactive fitness courses. Additional features like a water bottle holder enhance convenience during exercise. Its low-noise operation makes it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Lightweight at 64 pounds yet highly stable, the Yasuda bike offers a perfect balance of performance and value for indoor cardio training. Number 2, Echelon Smart Fitness Bike. The Echelon Smart Fitness Bike is a premium indoor cycling solution designed for home workouts and interactive training. Built with a durable alloy steel frame, it supports up to 300 pounds, providing stability and safety for all users. The bike features magnetic resistance for smooth and quiet rides, along with an adjustable seat to accommodate different heights and body types. With its speed monitor and compatibility with the Echelon app, you can follow live or on-demand classes, track your performance, and stay motivated on every ride. Its corded electric power ensures consistent performance, while the compact design fits well in small spaces. Ideal for users seeking a connected, tech-savvy workout experience, the Echelon Smart Fitness Bike balances comfort, functionality, and interactive features for effective indoor cardio training. Number 1, Schwinn IC Indoor Cycling Bike Series. The Schwinn IC Indoor Cycling Bike Series, particularly the IC4 model, is a top-tier choice for serious home cyclists. Built with a robust alloy steel frame, it supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability for all users. The bike features magnetic resistance for smooth, quiet rides and a fully adjustable padded seat for maximum comfort. It comes with a console display to track time, speed, distance, calories, and heart rate, and includes app connectivity for interactive workouts with platforms like Swift or Peloton alternatives. Additional features like a water bottle holder and ergonomic multi-grip handlebars enhance convenience during intense sessions. Weighing 112 pounds, it is durable yet manageable for home setups. For those seeking a premium, connected indoor cycling experience, the Schwinn IC series balances performance. These were our picks for the top 5 best exercise bikes in 2025. Whether you're starting your fitness journey or upgrading your home gym, these bikes offer great value for money. Check the links in the description to explore each product and find the one that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top product reviews.